The Domino N610 is going to allow us to continue to grow at double-digit percentages every single year. This technology is best in class, and it's going to allow us to print the absolute best quality for our customer base. My name is Chris Gleis, and I'm one of the two co-owners of Factor Forms and Labels Niagara Ltd. And we're proud to be the largest forms and label manufacturer for the trade only in Canada.
My name is Jason Steinberg. I'm the General Manager of Factor Forms and Labels in Niagara Falls. So we are a trade-only printer. We do not deal with the general public whatsoever. We are really a service-oriented company more than anything else. And we need the reliability of our equipment to make sure that we can satisfy our client needs.
Our customers rely on us for our quick turn. If we're down one day, it impacts our ability to certainly service our customers. We had two legacy, old technology Jetreon label presses running 3 shifts, 5 days a week, plus overtime, and we're turning business away. Domino was one of 3 companies that we looked at. When it came down to actually taking and investigating the actual products, it was very simple for us. Domino came out light years ahead.
We have a lot of great people working at Factor Forms, and one of the things that people need is good tools, and I think that's where the digital equipment is really helping us out.
So we were looking for a press that would now take us into the next level of label manufacturing. We felt that the Domino was the best fit for us, just because of the resolution, the speed, and the print quality.
Well, previously we weren't able to produce these types of labels simply because of the fine type. So the Domino was able to produce it quickly and efficiently and keep everybody in the game.
We are amazed by how we're allowed to use the variable data and the deliveries that we were able to get off this press. We didn't have the technology before to be competitive and stay on top of these situations. We had to turn that work away.
With the Domino, we are able to take the work from our 2 Jetreon presses, move it over to the Domino, and we can see less make-ready time, improved quality, faster speeds, and get the work out the door to our customers a lot faster.
I think from our point of view, this allows us to do longer runs while maintaining the short turnaround time, because that's 100% our selling factor. So the Domino has allowed us to maintain that kind of competitive edge.
It's something that our customers and our sales team are very, very satisfied in promoting, and that in turn grows our sales. And that makes everybody happy come the end of the day.
We're very happy with the machine, the speed, the quality, and most importantly, our customers are as well.
Our clients expect very quick deliveries from us, and the reliability of our Domino tech always makes sure that we meet the requirements.
At Factor Niagara, we're committed to staying ahead of the curve as it relates to technology. We're incredibly confident that Domino is going to allow us to stay ahead of that tech curve.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino. Grazie, Domino. Merci beaucoup, Domino. Vielen Dank, Domino.